Stella is 6 weeks old, and this is her very first train ride. This is our little sleeper car. It's very cool. Mommy. Stella. Stella. Why are you crying? Look, pretty water out the window. Whoops, I should open the window for Stella. Ah, that's what it is. Stella isn't looking out the window anymore. Stella was looking out the window, weren't you, baby? Oh, we're on a train. Oh, there's a smile. Smile for Mommy. Ah! Smile for Mommy. Smile for Mommy. I promised Daddy I would send him pictures of Stella smiling. Smile for Mommy, Stella. Oh, Stella's on the train. Stella's on the train. Stella's on the train in her new outfit that Aunt Jody got her with the cupcake. Stella, give Mommy a smile. Give Mommy a smile. You're not going to smile for Mommy? You're not going to smile for Mommy. Oh! All right. We'll record more of Stella on the train later. So bye-bye. Wow.